We got 1 is to 7.5 RR ratio. Hey everyone, Gaurav here and welcome to the StratX Path. Today we will going to learn about a beautiful strategy which is called BB Squeeze Breakout Trading Strategy, or you can call it Bollinger Band Squeeze Breakout Trading Strategy. This is a very powerful trading strategy and it can be used for a intraday trading setup, or you can use it as a BTST trading setup also. So let's learn about this beautiful strategy and let's find out where we will going to set our target or set our stop loss and how we will going to use this beautiful strategy as our trading setup. So without any further ado, let's learn this strategy. Okay, to apply this strategy, we need to open our trading platform and then plot our trading chart, whether it is stocks, crypto, forex, whatever you like. You have to just plot your desired chart on your trading platform. Now let's choose our time frame. I will going to choose 5 minutes from here. If you don't see these options, you need to just click on this little arrow, click on it, and after clicking you will going to find 5 minutes from this drop down menu. Click on it, and after clicking you will going to see our chart is converted into a 5-minute chart. Okay, because today we will going to our intraday strategy on Bollinger Band, so that is why we need to plot Bollinger Band on our chart. For that we need to go to the indicators tab, click on it, and after clicking go to the search bar and search for BB. BB stands for Bollinger Bands. Click on it and cross it. After crossing, you will going to see Bollinger Band is now plotted on our chart. Now, let's hide the chart and learn about this Bollinger Band first. And along with this, let's learn about our trading setup also. For doing this, we need to go here and hide the chart by clicking this option. Click on it. And now you can see our Bollinger Band is now isolated. Now let's understand about this Bollinger Band. So what is Bollinger Band? Bollinger Band is a band, or you can say it is kind of a rubber band which made with 3 lines. First one is upper line, middle one is middle line, and the lower one is lower line. Along with these 3 lines, we can see a Bollinger Band area also. It tells us about the price volatility, whether the market is too much volatile or it is range bound. As we know, Bollinger Band made with 3 lines, upper line, middle line, and lower line. When the upper line goes down, up, down like this, then we can clearly see the price, or you can say the Bollinger Band is going downwards. And for the lower band also, we can see the price was going up here, but suddenly it started going down. As we can see, both bands are squeezing towards each other. If we hide this Bollinger Band, we can clearly see these 2 lines are coming closer, and after coming closer both lines are going to the same direction. So this kind of setup we will going to look for to enter to our trades. Now let's delete these drawings and unhide our Bollinger Band as well as our trading chart. Now what we will going to do, we will going to look for a breakout to the either sides. Let's change the color of this trading line. Okay, now we can see this high was not broken by this candle. But what happened to the lower side? We can clearly see this was our lower side. Here we can see a break on the price. Here we can see here is a shorting setup. That is why we will going to take a short trade here. And our stop loss will be on our previous swing high. And we will going to aim for 1:3 minimum RR. So we will going to see whether we got or not. And as you can see, we got our target successfully. Here you can see we got our target 1:3 clearly on this candle. But wait, this is not over yet. If we hold this trade for another day like this, you can see when the price open on the other day, we got 1:7.5 RR ratio, which is humongous. So I hope you understood about this Bollinger Band squeeze trading setup. I hope you understood how to set target, how to set stop loss, and how to do BTST trade with this kind of trading setup. See you on the next video. Till then, happy trading.